Crypto can feel overwhelming when you're just starting out. There are charts, wallets, exchanges, research platforms, it's a lot. But the truth is, beginners don't need dozens of tools. You only need a small set of reliable ones that help you research, track, and secure your crypto. In this video, we'll break down the best crypto tools for beginners, what they do, why they matter, and how they make crypto easier, safer, and more manageable. Let's get into it. Before buying any token, you need to understand what it is, what it does, and whether it has real value. 2 beginner-friendly tools stand out. Number 1, CoinMarketCap. This is usually the first stop for beginners. You can check prices, charts, market cap, trading volume, exchanges where a token is listed, basically the basics of any coin. And number 2, CoinGecko. Similar to CoinMarketCap but often faster at updating new listings. It also provides additional insights like tokenomics, community scores, and deeper filtering options. You don't need to be a pro trader to read charts. You just need a tool that makes trends easy to understand. Here are some recommended tools. Number 1, TradingView. It's the most beginner-friendly charting website, clean layout, simple navigation, and loads of free indicators. Even if you don't use advanced tools, you'll see basic trends, support levels, and overall price movement. And number 2, CoinMarketCap charts/CoinGecko charts. If TradingView feels intimidating at first, you can stick with the simpler charts inside CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. They're perfect for absolute beginners. If you buy or hold multiple tokens, tracking everything manually becomes messy fast. That's where these come in. Number 1, CoinStats. You can sync your wallets and exchanges so your full portfolio appears in one dashboard. It's clean, beginner-friendly, and available on mobile. And number 2, Delta. A very visual, easy-to-use portfolio app. It helps you track performance over time and set alerts. With these tools, you don't need to constantly check different exchanges. Everything is in one place, updated in real time. Security is non-negotiable. And beginners often underestimate how important this is. Here are some recommended tools. Number 1, Ledger or Trezor hardware wallets. These keep your private keys offline, away from hackers. If you plan to hold crypto for the long term, hardware wallets are one of the safest options. And number 2, Have I Been Pwned? A simple website to check if your email or passwords have been leaked in any data breach. If you use that email for crypto accounts, this tool becomes incredibly helpful. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Coin Mama to stay tuned for more crypto insights made simple.